Ever feel like you're not enough? Like you're always one step behind? You're not alone. We all experience self-doubt. It's that nagging voice that whispers, "You can't do it." But what if we could silence that voice? What if we could step into a life filled with unshakable confidence? Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about believing in yourself, even when it's hard. It's about embracing your imperfections and stepping outside your comfort zone. It's about knowing your worth, regardless of your accomplishments. This journey begins with understanding the difference between confidence and self-esteem. While often used interchangeably, they are distinct concepts that play crucial roles in our lives. By unraveling their differences, we can start to build genuine, lasting confidence. Self-esteem is how we value ourselves. It's our overall sense of worthiness. Confidence, on the other hand, is more specific. It's about believing in our ability to do something. Think of it this way. Self-esteem is the foundation, and confidence is the building blocks. We need a strong foundation of self-worth to build genuine confidence. Confidence can fluctuate depending on the situation. We can feel confident in some areas of our lives and less so in others. That's normal. The key is to focus on building confidence in the areas that matter most to us. By identifying our strengths and weaknesses, we can start to develop our skills and step outside our comfort zones. Confidence is a game changer. It empowers us to pursue our dreams, build meaningful relationships, and live a more fulfilling life. When we believe in ourselves, we're more likely to take risks, embrace challenges, and persevere through setbacks. We're also more likely to communicate effectively, assert our needs, and build strong relationships. Confidence isn't about being arrogant or boastful, it's about knowing our worth and showing up authentically. It's about treating ourselves and others with respect, even when we disagree. In essence, confidence unlocks our potential. It allows us to step into the best version of ourselves and create a life we love. Section 4. Cultivating unshakable confidence strategies for transformation. Building confidence is an ongoing process, not a destination. It requires effort, self-compassion, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. Here are a few strategies to get you started. Identify your strengths. What are you good at? What makes you feel confident? Focus on developing these areas and celebrate your accomplishments. Step outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things, even if you're afraid. Each time you face a fear, you build resilience and confidence. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Surround yourself with supportive people. Connect with people who believe in you and encourage your growth. Distance yourself from negative influences that drain your energy. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Everyone makes mistakes. Instead of dwelling on setbacks, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Section 5 bonus tip, embrace the journey. Building confidence is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when you want to give up. That's okay. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Remember that you are capable of amazing things. Keep going, keep learning, keep growing. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. Believe in yourself and others will too.